Hello traders, this will be a quick top-down analysis and overview of cable. If you want more in-depth analysis and trade ideas, please head over to Traderbook where you can find courses and mentorship programs to improve your trading. But without further ado, let's run through a quick technical and price action analysis of cable starting from the monthly time frame. So as you can see, we've been in this key area of supply for the last 2 months really. Price has tested this area repeatedly, and apart from the one occasion, has come back down repeatedly over the last, going back all the way until June 2016 when Brexit happened. So we've come down to the weekly. We can also see where we're trading at in regards to this current candle. This is being recorded on the evening of the 14th of December. So quite a volatile day. Massive surge to the upside, and then price kind of corrected itself, came back towards the bottom of this zone, following some positive developments with coronavirus vaccine distributions. But yeah, we're still very much bearish on the pound. Definitely looking for sells to the downside, just very wary of kind of selling towards the top end of this zone. Coming back down to the daily. So what we've got here is we've got another very bullish candle, potentially with a wick that might be filled towards the upper side of this zone. You can see this trend line is still holding reasonably well, tested repeatedly. So very much a consolidation phase, but still looking for sells towards the downside. So on the 4-hour entry conditions, I've not fully been satisfied for myself yet, but you can see there is a development of some of a bearish trend line. And it does look like there could be a further test of this trend line here before the break is actually to the downside. So, very much still supporting the initial kind of moves that we've been trading on for the last few weeks, which is very much the kind of sells towards the upper end of that distribution zone, of that supply zone. Now, it is currently the 14th of December, and as of this week, there are still a few catalysts for pound against the dollar. So the primary one being Brexit talks. They've been extended again. Still massive uncertainty surrounding the deal, so expect volatility towards both sides of the market. And obviously, the second one being, as of today, coronavirus cases have risen to a severe level that the government have decided to enact tier 3 restrictions in London. So how much of this is already priced in, and how much of a sell-off we'll see tomorrow going in towards the end of this week before Christmas is still remain to be seen. We haven't really broken below this key level around the mid 131s comfortably since 12th of November. So still very much above this kind of key area of demand. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep scoping and wait for our entry conditions to be met on on 2 time frames, 4-hour being one of them, and another time frame on more intraday positions. And we are going to be looking for sells towards the upper end of this distribution zone here. And yeah, just be very wary of the volatility coming up, but there should be some very good trading opportunities in the coming weeks before the end of the year for cable.